changer here. So I ordered this about a week ago in anticipation of sanding the mud. And so last year we sanded everything by hand. Used a little bit of a palm sander. It was terrible. Terrible. So we ordered a drywall sander. Let's see what we got here. Sorry. How much surface is this going to cover? You know? It's got a vacuum bag because this is a dustless system. So we'll see how good that works. So we got a telescope. Deal. Let's get to the meat and potatoes here. We got a hose. This is for the vacuum dustless system. And then, of course, let's get rid of this box. I do believe this is a 9-inch drywall sander. So look how big this thing is, you guys. That's huge. You got your on and off here. Put your disc on here. It's got the brushes. What else can I show you? It's got a little motor. It's got this awesome telescoping handle. Yes, it's not battery powered because I wasn't going to spend $300. You had to buy batteries, a charger, you know, all that kind of stuff. So this year, we're just going to go for the corded one. Let's see, straight to my house. So I know if I need more, I can just go on there. They ship next day. See, got another stack. So we'll be sanding drywall in no time. So I'll bring you down there and show you how it works. the ceiling to do, but my arms are killing me. Let's see what we got though in the back. Bag. Feels pretty heavy. I'm gonna get into this trash can. Hopefully you guys can see the trash can. Alright. I don't know. Does it have an opening? Your dust got everywhere. This year. Oh yeah. What? What is it dumped all over me? Alright. Alright. We'll figure this out. Look at that. Holy moly. Wow. Well, it'll make the sander lighter. For sure. Alright, let's get back to it. got two coats of primer on the wall in the bedroom. Look at that. Oh goodness. It's really white in here. Oh my. Look how well that did. The walls did really good. Much better than the apartment, by the way. The corners look good. Oh wow. And see how that window just disappears. Look at it. Isn't that beautiful? And we are texturing the ceiling, so that's why we're not primering that. And then we have the closet. And got those done too. So, looks pretty good in here. Oh man, I'm getting so excited. Turned out really nice. For an amateur, of course. Somebody doesn't do this all the time. Not bad. And it's gross. All the dust, paint, mud. So we're gonna have to do some maintenance down here. But look at that. Alright. Well, thanks for watching, you guys. And we're gonna start in here this week. Get that main room completed. I've already been through one big bucket of paint or primer. So again, this is primer, not paint, but it seals the drywall. You know, fills little imperfections here and there, but I think it's not bad at all. It looks good. All right, well, on to this one next. Thanks for watching, everybody.